So this video would be for C++ programming for Jeff Hendrickson, fall 2021, Shasta College. This is programming challenge C, or it would be 3-5, and that would be batting average. So I'm going to copy my code that I did back on, let's see, copy it. I did it back on 2/10, 2020. Woohoo! So now we're going to go over to Visual Studio. I'm going to save this one because we already did it. And we're going to make a new project here. An empty C++ project. I'll call this one 3_5. I think that's what it was. That's in my C++ repository, and we'll create it. So we got it. First thing we got to do is add a source file. C++, add new item, right click, C++. Create. I'm going to paste that there. That was from my GitHub repository. Remember, my GitHub repository is lmccann2, and all the code's free, so you're welcome to go look at it and use it if you need it. Help you out with some stuff. So I told you I didn't really need this line, but I was playing around with the include statement, so I include the string. So this is for set width and set precision, input-output manipulation here. This is the one you have to include always as your IOS input-output stream, your namespace stays standard. So I was using floats back then, and I know the other instructor wants you to just use doubles, but my reasoning behind using floats came from programming Java, because if you use doubles in Java, sometimes the decimal places don't work out correctly. That's why floats seem to work a little bit better sometimes, and that's particular for Java. And so that's why I was using floats here, although doubles would have worked just fine. And that just puts a decimal place. It can put a single decimal place after, or a single place after, or a double. It doesn't really matter. It just adds a decimal point. So here's our variables. Number of bats, number of hits. That's how you'd calculate batting average anyway. So enter the number at bats of the player is the first thing. So then you get the input here. Then how many hits did the player have here? Then we do the set precision. That's the input-output manipulation right there. So you have to have that include statement up top with the IO include IO manip to do your set precision. So the set precision sets the actual number of decimal places. So this is also fixed, so the size is fixed. And now this is your calculation. Your batting average equals number of hits divided by number of at-bats, and then it prints out your batting average. So let's go ahead and save that, and we'll run it. Oh, build errors, really? Let's see where the build error is coming from. Oh, you know, let's try double. I guess I could use a float there. Let's just do that. Float. So that initialized it. So I don't know. Did I? Let me go back and take a look. It should have been okay. I'm sure that worked. So I'll save that now. But that would have been. Try that now. Number of times the player is at bat, let's say 10. How many hits did the player have? So if I put in 10, it would be 1.00. So that would be 1,000.100. So let's go hit 10 times. So that's correct. So we'll try that again. 10. Let's say you had 3. That should be 0.333 or 0.3. Yep, that works. Cool. So that is programming challenge. What did I say? 3-5. Let's save that. 3-5 batting average. Cool. For Shasta College, CIS 61, Jeff Hendrickson, C++ programming. Thank you for watching.